So hey there everyone, this is my first vlog and welcome to my channel. My name is AKS and I have been living in Bangalore from past 15 years. Yeah, I do ride frequently. So today I'm testing my GoPro setup on which I mounted on my helmet. Let's see how it is, how the video is coming and how the audio is coming. So let me test. I'm at 60 right now. Let's go a little higher, 70. Alright, now it's 80. Let's go a bit higher now. We'll try to cruise at 90 or something. 100 can't do much because of traffic here. So yeah, but let's give it a shot. I mean, if I see any kind of free road, I will try at a much better speed. Okay, there we go, at 90 right now. Hope my voice is clear and some kind of noise should be there, I believe, because of the wind, or let's find out. Alright, it's still cruising at 90. Again, can't do much because of the traffic here. Bangalore traffic, come on. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I'm doing it 100 right now. I think it's just about to touch 100. Okay, but I'm not able to because of the traffic here. Okay, but it's at 95, 90. At 80 right now, drop to 80 now. Okay, we have to take a left turn here somewhere. So the GoPro setup on my helmet is I used Mseal. Okay, so before that I was using the strap mount. That didn't work out pretty well because it kind of always it used to move, because my helmet is a bit of pointy kind of helmet, so it used to move. And yeah, I mean the wind, yeah, I can explain you. I mean, I'm going to. So this is my helmet and this is the GoPro setup. Alright, so this is the GoPro setup and this is the GoPro mount. So I've used Mseal here. So earlier I was using a strap mount. The disadvantage of using a strap mount is, I mean, I don't have the strap right now. So but if you see the helmet, the way the helmet is, I mean, you have little bit of pointy nose here, okay, and then there are some curves here. So basically if you try to mount a helmet, I mean, if you try to mount a GoPro, right, GoPro needs a base. So this is the base and this is very straight, I mean, or a little bit of curvy. You cannot directly mount the GoPro, this mount directly here. So there are two ways of doing it. One, you have to use some kind of solid base to make it, then you can mount it, otherwise it will just not hold. So there is a strap mount that you get from Telespin or something like that, the company. I was having that I faced some issues with it. Like, I mean, if you put the let's say if you put the strap here, so the strap belt goes all the way down. The belt will go from here, and one belt will go from here, the basically you have to tie it from bottom. So when you tie it from the bottom, you compromise on this cloth kind of thing. So when you compromise this, I mean, of course there will be a lot of wind noise coming in, I mean this, I mean it was getting damaged, so that's the reason I totally removed it, and rather I choose to use the Mseal process. Okay, another issue that I faced when I used the strap mount was, I mean if you see this, the area here is kind of pointy. Okay, so the strap was not appropriately, I mean it used to little bit move left right, so the GoPro angle was also not right and I was facing difficulty. So I wanted my GoPro to be here, actually right here. I mean when I put my GoPro right now, I mean after this setup, when I put my GoPro, the GoPro will be coming here. I can see little bit. If I remove this part, then I can see the screen little bit, I can adjust the angle, so that's helpful, very helpful. Okay, I'll explain you how this work. Okay, so like, you know, I mean once you buy an Mseal, you will get, there will be two kind of on the box you will have two materials inside the Mseal box. So you have to cut very small quantity, I mean probably but equal quantity. Okay, equal quantity, probably this much little bit from one, the other one again same, then you mix it up. Okay, you can directly mount Mseal here on the helmet, but the problem is, so what I did, let me explain you my setup. So yeah, I mean on this mount I have the Mseal. I used Adelaide gum to fix this mount with the Mseal, and from the Mseal then there is a 3M tape here. The Mseal is connected to 3M tape, and then the 3M tape is connected to the helmet. Okay, that's the setup I have used. This is the base of GoPro, so you can directly mount the GoPro here, but the angle is not good enough for me. So what I wanted a little bit, the GoPro to be a little bit of higher, so the view will be better. So what I ordered was, I ordered these two kind of things from Amazon. If you see, yeah, these are the extra mounts that you get from Amazon. So yeah, this will get, so yeah, this will be, you know, this will be like this. And then on top of it you will fix the other one, and then finally the GoPro.
I feel my current setup of the helmet is pretty good. It's pretty solid. It's not going to fall. I was worried about initially about whether the Mseal will kind of hold the helmet properly, or if my helmet will gonna fall, because you know GoPros are expensive. I don't want my GoPro to fall down, and then yeah, I'll be very disappointed. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to run into that risk. So I was that was my biggest concern. But then after installing, I feel very confident. I'm sure that this is not going to fall at all. It's very solid, and I think this is the best mount you can have.